Today, we're fixing corrupted files on Windows 11 or 10, so let's dive straight in. First, go to Start Type Command Prompt. Now, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once your command prompt opens, type this command carefully, then press Enter. This will start the System File Checker scan. It automatically detects and repairs corrupted files in protected system folders. The scan might take 10 to 20 minutes. Depending on your disk speed, do not close the window. Let it finish completely after. The scan completes. You'll see one of 4 messages if it says Windows. Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. You're done, but if it says Could not repair some files, then we move to the advanced part, the DISM tool. In the command prompt, type these 3 commands one by one. Each of these performs a deeper repair level. Once it finishes, restart your compute. After restart, run the SFC command again just once to make sure all system files are fully restored and verified. This method alone fixes around 90% of all file corruption issues in Windows 11. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.